Hanggang kailan nga ba aabot ang allowance ng mga Frosh marketing students ng Binold Antipolo? Tara na't ating alamin. Welcome to Fast Talk.
I'm Precious Ann A. Tamon, 19 years old from BS Accountancy.
My name is Sebastian Benedict Mustanyong, and I'm from BFAC 02.
My name is Shanli Tabulok and I'm from BSMMO2.
Kuripot ka o gastador?
Gastador.
Gastador?
In town sometimes, depends really on both. Kuripot, if I'm buying something expensive, and magastos, if there's little amount to pay with anything else.
Kuripot ka o gastador?
Gastador.
Positive. Positive. Positive.
Of course, gastador. By the way, my name is Christina Joke. Ay, joke lang. My name is Chris Cesar Stephen Madiga, and I am from Hospitality Management Frosh, O2.
Have you ever made an impulsive or unplanned purchase online? And if so, what is it?
Yes, alam mo yung food na, yung naka-jar, yung parang mga Coco Crunch tapos may chocolate.
Super sarap nun.
Super sarap din.
Best purchase.
Yes.
Indeed, I have bought phones. This is actually my 7th phone, cause I'm usually a person who's like really clumsy, so I have backup phones in at least in case this phone breaks. So I have like 16 headphones, 15 keyboards, 6 mouse.
That's so many.
Yes, I'm really clumsy in a way that I'm very paranoid. So I would always buy in advance.
And impulsive purchase.
Yes.
Yes, every time kapag kasi, lalo na, more on clothes.
What kind of clothes actually?
Depende. Minsan pants, minsan jacket.
Tell us about it.
Yes, kapag kunwari nag-install ako, tapos add to cart ako ng add to cart, syempre, pindot ako, tapos, may laman Gcash ko, and pipindutin ko rin.
Next question. Hanggang kailan aabot ang allowance mo?
Ano lang, pag Friday pamasahe na lang talaga yung natitira.
Usually weekly 2,000. If my parents had a good pay, they give me 10,000 a week.
1 week. 1 week? Pero minsan, kapag nagtitipid naman, umabot naman ng mga month ka na. That's good, that's good.
Hanggang hindi pa nakakapag-estapa. Hindi, charot lang. Hanggang Saturday siya actually.
Safe. Saturday pa.
Our last question, any tips for other students on how to save up on allowance or money? Ang tip ko lang, lumayo kayo sa mga magagastos na kaibigan. Tsaka, know your priorities lang. Yun lang.
Wag na lang magdala ng masyadong maraming pera.
Ay,
Para hindi magastos lahat.
totoo yun. I think I agree.
Yeah.
As a gastador. Ako din naman gastador.
Okay lang yan. Yeah.
Okay, you can do this two ways. Either one, if you don't trust the government, you can do it in a piggy bank or alcancha.
Yes.
If you trust your neighborhood, go to a bank and open a savings account. That is the only way you can save actual money. If you are like me, there's a chance that you will have no money in the future. So opening a savings account would actually save your life in the future. Unless if you're, out or economy funds, I would say.
Huwag kayo magdadala ng pera ng madami. Promise. Ilagay niyo sa ano yun, sa alkansya niyo or something sa bahay niyo para idala niyo na lang yung yung mga masahe niyo tas yung panggastos niyo sa food. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you
Thank you so much.
Kuripot ka o gastador?
Papakilala ba?
And that concludes our Fast Talk. This is Claire Cabigal speaking, your marketing sophomore. And always remember, Binildrans, to save up on your allowance, be aware of your expenses, and know your budget.